Walter now be the see Enibri Abba. Now, ever pay more Western region ha. Dambe yatete Bronum, BMBino. And yes.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For some time now, or for some days now, the Western region has been in the news. And the reason Western region has been in the news is some individuals of Western region, they belong to NDC, National Democratic Congress. I believe appointment there Baku Menu be His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. It has not go down well with the regional party. And most of the time, some of these every party, to be fair, every political party who win the election, some of these issues come up when it comes to appointment time. Okay? There will be one or two people or some grassroots members that will feel there be way they does not deserve the appointment in a bay and farmer way. All these things. And then also there are one or two big men who will be behind the stage. They will not come out openly to come and say, we don't agree to this appointment. But they will finance some grassroots members to rise up against the appointment. All these things are played politically. And most of the time, politics here. Okay, in politics we all disagree or we agree to disagree and all those things. And politics here, ideally. And about distractions, who can break it down something, who go and bend down something and all those things. And even going to the sense of locking down the office complex, I don't see anything really wrong with it. All is because of mediation. So just sit down and negotiate. Say, Ebia, these and these are the reasons why he has been appointed. Some of your region people are also be appointed here and there and there and there. And then they just get up, go and open the place, and that's the beauty. You go and work. But you see, the reasons they start giving.
From into Western region had it. Now, say about national, the National Service Secretariat. Na yabaka the NDC fi wa akwa bochenku wo ho office no wode kojan akwa bobom na wode pilot akase akotumi there wode mpenama abane adwuma otide ya oye civil servant no obiara nye adwuma ho we sent to UTV for yeri bi sanwana wode ma hanye there na oye den na one day adehye wo fie na akwa bebebe diate Wobu be in the Bisa one day, that may be each rather now, or today. Then National Service Secretariat were not now to me see Upper West. Now, Oba Western region, the Umbrella Regional Director, Western region. Into what a Mapanopra, Captain Tama, Omantin, Mahama, Obo, or this our Western region. But pardon Wobo Bay, Government Secretariat or today. What out to what there? Obia on to Western region, Mbaya, not on down on a day. Never, sitting that old a police for a police far. Soldier for when you want to see me, Captain Tama, Penina, Warden Abano, Nitinity Daniel Dawusu, open Northern region, Upper West. Warden a bear, almost Sun nature, no one could another man Penin, but son no one Western region in the NSS maybe wolu beyaman de beyano china timene benyin moro podo wo Western region ha na ebi na medabro
Ora Charles binimbre ba beye nom e wo ma Ghana mu se aban e pa wo bi a e wo se chinchina achi oye nipa wo firi mantam ho anase mpatam ho minim etiamra enu tina de na abamofo aye e de afa sade we ho
NDC back maybe abi de ya ma yehu de abamofo abaho ababapam oye NDC babu na wo but one the waka there wopam wonu du wo baba ho du kapem timer o mampanyin obeden obansan wa abo bi fofu but today maybe say mu ne beyin eyimpe the National Service Secretariat today oye civil servant ejuma nti onyida anka yede amamye ejuma ana amamye nsam jade bata ho kra na nka yama kwan magana ni oya Ghana dese onye obi a ofi different country maybe anka mbia na ntia kwan de Ghana ni biara tum obaba appoint no ma wa kwa akɔhwɛ baby fofo do there obɔhwɛ manyama akɔbɔ wa bo because dam secretariat national service secretariat alaje bo there secretariat obi ori national service or western region onye wo nyina na sabi wo ye fantafo another antafo nkɔfo bebree na wo ha wo ye secretariatship job wo fi other regions and wo fi other tribes na wo ba ha wo ko school ya wo do want to schools are no another njuma no na wo bo som oya region no tina kan ne de pepe ntamba amambofo wo e bobo na de wo bo hwe na peace will prevail wo oya secretariat wo
Charles Ajiri yenim se senia DC di bre na ban bo ndi no bi kwampo wo do mo a na di ne ye mboye but mobiri no osusu se asimbesi ne bebo ni di na wo ye basabasa owura Daniel Dasawi ono no ni di ne ya bo ama na ba ho anase osusu se enti na otu sana mo yi
wa bom wa ba tell me you look at your way ready no mo akasa wa ba into what the man na wo ko into me you look at Mr. Daniel wo takra de ha o chede odini nyama nyinara aba wono secretariat ship you wo quarters ho wa ba betina wa although to me sha o shi juma ase eyi na wa ma se wa akadema onto member office want to aba o wa ha
woni nsentwerefo akasa
onara nkasa de onye nsam so o se for bebi a we do na de on pada onye nsam so ofo baka se sesia
abambofo aboma no ho ba so office na o ma lo kina mo kwa akobie anase de na abambofo so ka ya kire mo
abambofo se nwa ne de wore hwede office no papa no botum aba ba ye meduma but today my yelkin ya yenyim this my party nsam no ayo odu bebi ehunu na nyama bi no ma bambofo wo bobode na so na branch negotiation I think it's hard time all the party mpanyimfo nara wotu mwanye da branch kasa wo hu de nyimpa ore baabo somo no ono so ye Ghana ni dem bre obi botu na efita kwada ha na wa kwa afa yi na wa kwa ye penyi no ho no the mara so na so obi so botu na efi oyenkan wa kokuma se akwa ye adwuma ho no the mara not so e wata kwada ha de it I think the bia we agree or there amam fono wo hu ni de wonye wo babu ni mbomba kasa na nyame bi o tete dam no we jai na onfa tribal war and tribal intention bi in fact about to Ghana for obi ala boy and about there nyande ye ko ye nyen hwehwemo no the man di ne botum efi wo kwa ma yetum atna asumju.
The reasons and the most important to say when you ask them why don't you want this person appointed, the answer, the reply is where the issue is. And if the tangent on which we are, the direction on which we are, it is a very, very destructive and dangerous direction. When people start saying, say, way on free region way, on free region way, so don't appoint him or don't transfer him to come and work in this and that capacity. When he start getting there, we get a problem. We start having a very, very big problem. Because it will get to a place where competency will not be required, but all that will be required is your ethnicity. And when it gets to the place where ethnicity starts eating into all the various agencies and that thing, I have seen it elsewhere, and I tell you, it is not there. It will not end well. Go and read about Nyasingbe Yadema rule in Togo, a neighbor Togo here. When it starts to get to a place where in the army, in the police, in the fire service, in the immigration, customs, and various agencies, people start recruiting based on ethnicity, tribes, all those things. It is a very, very dangerous step to take, which should not be endorsed by any well-meaning Ghanaian. And it's a shame, a big shame, that now NDC has not come to terms with this to say no, Our people, let's stop this kind of politics we are doing. Let's be watchful of the things we are saying, because they are thriving in confusion. But the whole country must arise. CSOs must arise. Peace Council must arise. Christian Council, Islamic Council, everybody must arise, because a wind of tribalism is blowing in Ghana. And if care is not taken, this wind of tribalism, as we are beginning to see it in our political scape, our political space, it might shift even to our churches, it might shift to our marketplaces, and all over. And when these things start eating into our society, we are gradually getting closer and closer to a civil war. Let's use the story or the example of Boku as a case study. Just that small place, Boku. Government is not able to deal with it yet. So God forbid, let's imagine if this thing spreads down south. How is it going to be like? So, please, NDC, call your grassroots to order. This has been the Political Rounds with me, the voice right here on Ghana SMTV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.